Monday motivation. Hello guys, hello. Hi guys. Hi. Can I go to man? New creed. Guys, Monday motivation. Kirobetsi early. Katsua early. Kitsile hamunati. Khatala. Dimnandi. Today I sit at my career. Marene Kirsera, let's go today. It's my first date, guys. Kia Dijon le moto. You know, and I get to blurry. I'm not trying to try to exactly one. So I get to blurry. Yo, I get to blurry kilo safuna. I get to blurry kilo Joan. Yo, guys, keep trying to exactly one again. So I don't know, Lori. What safuna Joan? That first date. Yeah. But guys, I sit away hold you again. No, I don't go for sex. I don't go there. I just go for date. Guys, date and sex are two different things. When you go for date, there's a difference how we are dating, how we are for dating, Dijon restaurant, how mudimu, hi, lo, namar. I go not anything else for date, but babato. Date, ko ya Dijon, le moto, le lokoka, le hoke. Guys, but that is not a big deal for me. It's not a big issue. Take my talk back today. Opportunity. Guys, opportunity today. This Monday, opportunity. You know, guys, I've learned something. Don't worry. Resonte ko penta temo di maru thuse ka yona. Ke o ba le lihlo la opportunity to have an eye e gona lihlo. A ke tselo re ke bua English right. Ho bona lihlo le ho bona ho ba le lihlo le gona ho bona opportunity. Guys, ke go palo jotsa nnete. You know, one of the thing e ke thutileng yona, most of us re struggle bophelo, we are suffering, we are frustrated because we don't have an eye to see any opportunity. Guys, I've learned that already. Asina liho, asina wamesho, harina liho, kaparina masho, au bona opportunity on that mdimar create la nyo. And I tell you, it's a big problem when you don't have an eye of seeing an opportunity when the opportunity is high. And I told you why the opportunity, because I don't want to be long, guys. I don't want to be long. I just want to go straight to the tabataka. It's not an easy thing to see an opportunity. And that is why today most of us are struggling. Some of us, we are struggling because we have lost the opportunities around. We have lost the opportunity. Babambaruna, we are struggling because we did not saw an opportunity when Tatemudimo and created an opportunity. Now, why resaboni the opportunity? Why minye kayon Tatemudimo are fine yona? Yona, guys. Cast it fell. I'm going to keep you yo, watch this, guys. Yo, I feel our home. Why most of us resa khono bona menyetla. Why most of the time reforce na le menyetla. Ke kopa etsa example le kana. I want to make an example kana. When ke ne ke le poor ke futsanehile. I was praying one time ke khala bona o tshintshile bophelo baka. And then I was praying, guys. ke rapela hore ntate modimo please change my life ke batla bona o tshintshile bophelo ba ka ke batla bona bophelo ba ka bo tshintshile. And believe me, I thought ke ne ke nahana hore ntate modimo will come and do something a modimo a ntshware a change bophelo ba ka, but no, ntate modimo did not do that. But ntate modimo gave me this pastor, the late PV. Ntate modimo a ba nkopanya le the late PV. Ne ke batla bona modimo a tshintshile bophelo ba ka. Number 2, ne ke batla bona ke tswile from poverty, ke batla bona ke tswile bofutsatseng. And I thought modimo will come and change my life. No, ntate modimo did not do that. You know ntate modimo ke etsang? God sent the late PV in my life. Now here is the biggest problem, guys. But PV unale bohale. That man, yo, guys, lando ta ibib kali. That man unale bohale, ibib kali. That man unale bohale. Unale bohale to an extent. Ke kopa dula fast, guys. Kopa dula fast. Aluhlala phansi. Kopa dula fast. Kopa bua le nna ke ditse fast. That man unale bohale ka tsela e nngwe hlotseng. That man unale bohale hale ebe silwa la motho. That man unalwana ka tsela e nngwe hlotseng. To an extent, but bana ba sa gone, but bana ba mo serve that most of the time. Bana ba sa gone o dula gone o serve the late PV. But let me tell you something what happened. Nna kile ka dula ka serve that man. And for me, PV was not just an ordinary person. He was an opportunity to me. Because today, this life ke phelang, bophelo bo ke bo phelang, ke thusitswe ke that man. That man o nthusitse ka tsela e nngwe e hlotseng. O nthusitse ka tsela e nngwe, and ke yona today ha sa phela. And today, ditoro tsaka tseo ke di phelang today, ke thusitswe ke motho eno. Send that man to me as an opportunity or I change bophelo ba ka. And today that man can change bophelo ba ka a qetile a ba hloka. So here is the biggest problem. Most ya batho asikwazi ukubona amathuba, ha re kgone ho bona menyetla, guys. And tlo ke re why re sa kgone ho bona menyetla. One, because ha se ngata menyetla e tlang e package ka package smart. Ke kopa o ipheta a se ka nako tsohle mo opportunity e tlang ka package smart e repue. Thank you Pitso, thank you mo profeta. Guys, opportunity ha se hangata opportunity e tlang e package ka tsela e smart. And that is why today most of the people ba sa kgone go bona the opportunity. That is why today re sa kgone go grab the opportunity, go identify the opportunity so ntate modimo re created tsona. Ke kopa o pheta hape nna monyetla wa ka and my opportunity o ntate modimo na mphile yona, the opportunity e tshintshileng bophelo ba ka inesa repua ka package smart attractive. Believe me. Number 2, that man, but bana ba mo bua hohle, bana ba mo bua hampe, yo la mutano also people were so negative for that man. People were so negative. I remember I ke serve that guy. Even people who are working for that man were so negative for that man. But let me tell you something. I thank God because the same person, it was an opportunity. Today, because of that man. In short, guys, you know, when you don't have an eye, ya o bona opportunity. If ha ona leihlo la o bona menyetla, there are opportunities that will come, because there are people ba tlo tla maphelong a rona. When you see that person, o tlo mmona as a human being, o tlo mmona jwale ka motho. Kanti ha se motho eno, it's an opportunity. Kukho abantu abangengobantu, ke menyetla ho rona. Guys, ke kopa le nkutlwe, hona le batho ba iseng batho. But when you only pela motho, that person, it's your opportunity that etlo change bophelo bao, etlo fetola bophelo ba hao. I'm telling you the honest truth. Today, ke sena se ke leng sona. Ka baka la that guy o tshintshile bophelo baka, o modimo mo sebedisitse ho tshintsha bophelo baka. Today that man ke ena yo modimo mo nthusitse ho transforma bophelo baka hore ebe tsatsing ka shekulena ke sena se o ke leng sona. Remember, I said to you, kare the sad part gore that man wa enele motho a bohale ya neng a sa qeke, ya neng a sa kgathale. Number 2, it was a person yo batho ba mo bua hampe, batho ba mo bua hampe. But here's the thing, guys. Here's the thing. When I did this morning, I was meditating ka buka ya Daniel, chapter 10, verse number 9. Verse number 7. Daniel chapter 10, verse number 7. Irin, kim na fela ya ileng abona pono ye. Bana banemba emilena. Habaka ba ibona. Ne, emba ba ile ba tshuwa haholo ho ba ileng ba balia ba ipata. Ye is the thing ba sanana ke batlo ho rera, ha ke batlo ke rerile maobane. Ye is the thing, when Daniel a emetse answer from God, Daniel una fastile for 21 days. Daniel a fastile for 21 days, a emetse an answer. Sheba, God sent an angel to Daniel. Modimo a romela lenyoloi o Daniel. But when you read from verse 6 and obale lenyoloi lenu ne le jwang, lenyoloi lenu le ne le tshosa, that angel was ne le tshosa be le so thusa abantu. The angel was so scary to an extent, but to babang they ran away. Babalia lenyoloi. But the problem was that it was something else scary. But the same thing that was scary, it was something new in a great opportunity to Daniel. Because it was not that angel in Daniel. In any munyeka, oh mudimu anenga Daniel, not to other. Not for this opportunity for these people. And that is why by believing when these people babona that angel, kau fela bona ke babalia, pasia Daniela liwa. Now here's the thing, ek batla mo hlalosa ke hore a se hangata batho ba o re phelang le bona ba gona go identify menyetla. And that is why some of you le lose menyetla ka baka la gore le discourage ke batho, because batho ba no bona ha ba ka ba bona ntho as an opportunity go ba o ipheta. Hona le batho ba lose menyetla ka baka la batho. You have lost an opportunity not because of people, because here is the problem. When Mudimu arumela an angel to Daniel, this but one about Emily Daniel, everybody habaka babona that thing as an opportunity. Instead, remember yeta kuja fati babalia, but Daniela I am kanti. It was an answer, that angel in electricity, an answer for Daniel. It was a great opportunity, the opportunity, and then you can say to la bupilo by Daniel. Kebaka ringa is haikelekwela, letamaye. Baba Baluna, li fosite minyetla, li fosite ni la hlekelwa ngabantu, li luse batho. Li kweletse batho ba tsa maepela lona, ba bamba batho li discourage ke batho. But or no, that person is not good for you. That person is not the right person for you. You deserve better. Today, you have lost an opportunity. Why? Because minyeka emi haike irepueka package is smart. Because the reason why these people baile babalia because of the angel. What I'm trying to say is there are opportunities that tlang ka tsela e tshosang. Ke go qetile nna, ke qetile. Kukho abantu ba luzile, le lose batho, le lose mesebetsi, le lose di friend, le lose di connection, le lose di boyfriend, le lose banna. And let me tell you something, hona le batho ba e ka reng ha o ka mo lose. Ha wa lose motho yona fela, but you have lost your opportunity. Hona le batho, if you can lose that person, you did not lose that person, but you have lost your opportunity. You can imagine if you lose the late PV, ngabe ki lose a great opportunity, because today can everything because of that person. Mudimu sebediste that person to change my life. Mudimu usebediste the late PV to change my life. Come on, for me to meet PV, it was not just, PV was not just an ordinary person to me, but it was a great opportunity for me, a lifetime opportunity to change Mbuphelo baka. And Baba Mbaluna, today, you can't see Halina Liso la ubona minyetla. And that is why today, let's sukulan, let's try gila number 2. Even if you see, Baba Mbaluna, as much you try upon this thing as an opportunity, you want to a confirmation from people. Ubata utaro to bare. Ubata batu ba confirm by bonanja. Ni bonanja ni lento. Lomdu ni bonanja. The other thing is about it is the confirmation, rebata confirmation. And sometimes you want a confirmation to the people who can't, but not leave to see the opportunity. Let me tell you something. Na haneki fish out the late PV. But one bamu criticize. Including the team ya PV. In them criticize about unjani lumtu. But let me tell you something. I thank God because I saw an opportunity. And today, those people who were criticizing that man, they did not see that man as an opportunity. But because it was not their opportunity, it was my opportunity. They did not saw that man as an opportunity. But the same man, it was a great opportunity to me. And today, thank you so much, guys. This morning, Monday. Wabana today, some of you, Limpona Joleka Mutia Sanyang, Libona Joleka Garakinki Hanke, Liboni Gati Pambene, Libaba Baluna, Libonagari, I'm mentally disturbed. Baban Libonagari, I need help. There is something else in writing. But let me tell you something. Over to Babam, I'm also an opportunity. I'm a great opportunity. Let me tell you something. Over to Babam. Maybe when maybe this is a panga, maybe I cannot tell low, maybe I cannot be, I'm useless, but to other people, I'm a great opportunity, because let me tell you something. The opportunities are really bonika utwana. And kabu madimabi, there are people who doesn't have an eye to see an opportunity. And that is why the sad part, when Mudima Klisa Dintoluna, you want people to confirm Nimbonanjani, Le Relona, Ubatoya the family in Sahau, Ubatoya the friend in Sahau, Ubatoya the colleague in Sahau, Limona join this person, who join this person. Can't you are asking a wrong people who don't have an eye to see an opportunity, but you want those people to confirm. Listen to little loser. Listen to little loser, but to important. Listen to little loser, the connection. Listen to little loser, the destiny helper alone. Listen to little loser, the helper, the destiny helper alone, because the third party about confirm the opportunities alone. And I cannot tell, but to abana liho la bona opportunity. Kyoko pa sheba timana yo. Kyoko pa rebalen timana yo. Verse 5. ke tlo bala ka Sesotho ya ba ke le laletsa mahlo ka sheba mme ka bona monna ya apereng seaparo se entsweng ka lene thekeng a itlamme ka senyepa sa gauta a tswa ufase mmele wa hae o ne o benya jole ka lehakwe mamela Daniel o describe the angel eneng e tliso ho yena o describe this angel. Now when you how mametse the way Daniel are describing angel then you understand from verse 7 or why but babalia but baban they had to run away babalia this angel babalia because angeliana means hosa but take it ratangure Daniel yena he did not run away, he did not hakabalia akabalekanga, he wait until the angel came ya fihla bua le yena ya fihla ya tlisa karabo yena. Now mara batho ba bona ba ne ba se ba balile ntho ke batla mo itse gore solanka le batla confirm le confirm o batla maikutlo a batho o batla di opinion tsa batho o batla bona o batla o tla batho ba renka ka motho yena a ba bang ba lona le santse di tlo lose bona ke bua pela ntate modimo Bloemfontein. There are people who are very scared to come to my church. When I'm about to buy sabang with like Kenyaka, when I'm about to buy sabang or associate lin, when I'm about to buy sabang born lin, when I'm about to buy sabang born lin, Ukabanto boyuka, ukborn. There are people. Knock to Daniel chapter 10, verse number 6, 7. Now, we're not about to sabang born linna. But let me tell you something. Na lalikela ntaba, lalikela laetsaing. But let me tell you something. Yes, maybe kia tsosa, maybe bataba sheba kia tsosa, maybe but basheba ore bataba mpona babona ke se right baba batho bona ba kaske ba associate lin. But let me tell you something. Lin, one thing I know, I'm an opportunity to other person. And one day, le sante le tlo bona ore ke monyetla batho ba bang. Ke monyetla ngwana go gae. Ke qetile. I'm done. I'm done. Now ke tseba na le batho ba sa batlong go bona ba tsamaya le nna, ba sa batlong go associate le nna. I know. Na le batho ba sa batleng go bona ba sa batleng hore ba sa batleng hore ba bone ba tsamaya le nna. Marco says, I'm a great opportunity to other people. Let today, when I'm about to get into my pillar bonan, I'm proudly say there are people about to get into my pillar bonan. Lona le sanyale, the same person, yo Luna, le bonan need help, something is not right, Kayena. But let me tell you something, to other people, I'm a great opportunity. There are people about Mutim and Sebediste Mobo. Kiemeti fella Musadi. Liko bona le Musadi ekweta munyala. Liko bona le luna ba ntse ba tshaba kopana le nna. Liko regret. Liko regret. Le tlabe mpatle thata. Una njets, una bui radio le sedi FMR batho ba ne ba sa mmatle. Botshabelo ha ba free ba sa mmatle. Today ha qeta ba le breakthrough a tsama ka dikoloi tsa hae ba mo batla. Le nne ke a tseba today ba ntshaba ba tshaba kopana le nna ba bang ba hlola ba founela officing a rona re kopana le Dr. November for date mare a tshaba re kopa re bo off the camera mare nthe ke tsebang kore ha ke qeta le tlo nsheba ke ha ke qeta o nyala ke a tseba le tlo monitor le tlo sheba le monitor hore o nyetse mang o phela le mang re batla bona o etsa eng o phela ha ba bona mosadi wa ka phela monate e tla be le hona ba mpatlang ke tla e theola ke tlo mo kopa ke re baby tla ke die dipenti ke di die motho wa ka ke di die. Bye guys, I love you. Learn to grab an opportunity. Come on, Jack. I love you guys. Six o'clock. I love you guys. 6 o'clock. People, they don't understand the runa. I'm not just a pastor. I'm also an entertainer. I'm also an entertainer. So, but the differentiate already. There's a pastor, only an entertainer. When you're an entertainer, you do things for your people. You do things for your people. Guys, I love you. Bye-bye. I love you. Drama Queen, umblela radio aruna ilukile lesotho mo. Please, you must tell me. I love you guys. Mutimali bless. Harko Paneka 6. My first date, live, Pastor November. First date. Goodbye.